Take you outside and give you a live look. This is out in Solano County from our Mercedes-Benz of Fairfield camera. It looks nice, but man, some windy weather today and is bringing along some warmer temperatures. So let's go to First Alert meteorologist Tracy Humphrey back with another look at the forecast. We like the weather, but man, that wind makes you a little nervous when it comes to fires, that sort of thing.
Well, especially when you're really dry. Thank goodness we've been looking at really nice numbers so far for rainfall as well as for snowfall. But we do know that, you know, our wildfire season is indeed all year long. So whenever winds are really strong like this, outdoor burning would not be advised. That wind advisory in effect for the Sacramento Valley and the Delta region until 8 o'clock tonight. We do have a major warm up on the way. That's part of our weather headlines. Temperatures expected to be nearing 90, the low to mid 90s by the time we get to the weekend. And that would make the next couple of days some of the hottest days we've had all year long. Take a look at your watches and warnings. This is a wind advisory and it is in effect again until tonight. How far south does it go? Yeah, just near Stockton here. Also moving into Rio Vista, Vacaville, into the Delta region. You can also see some of those really strong winds coming in just near Auburn, into just near Cameron Park, as well as into Yuba City and also into Chico and all the way up near Redding. So the usual suspects. Sacramento, let's take a look at some of the strongest winds you're going to have. And they're still coming in out of the north, right? Northerly winds, warmer winds, drier winds. There are offshore winds coming in over land masses, and they do tend to warm us up quickly. Take a look at those winds. 30-mile-per-hour winds are forecasted around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 26 at 6 o'clock in the evening. That wind advisory is in effect till 8 o'clock tonight, and wind should die down thereafter. But they're still going to be pretty brisk for the early afternoon. Highs today in Sacramento in the upper 80s. That's about 10 degrees above average. Hope you like the 80s. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. Take a look at today's highs. So from 90 in Chico, upper 80s in Marysville, all the way down to the upper 80s in Stockton, upper 70s in Colfax. So nice and warm today in the hills. 71 in Pollock Pines, and I got 60 in Truckee with the upper 50s in South Lake Tahoe. Today is Cinco de Mayo, so just in case you're heading out, you got plans, take a look at what's in store. The noon hour temperatures in the mid 70s, 4 o'clock in the afternoon to low 80s. Nice and warm, but winds are still in play. And out of the northwest, around 15 to 20 miles per hour. 8 o'clock tonight, you're expecting conditions in the low 70s as your sunset will be upon us. Now, take a look at the next couple of days. Still got the 80s, upper 80s on Tuesday, lower to the mid 80s Wednesday and Thursday. Hottest days of the week are Friday and Saturday with the lower to the mid 90s. And again, you can see average high 79, so we're well above the mark. And Sunday is Mother's Day, so it's going to be a little warm for Mom, but with all that sunshine, wow, still going to be a pretty nice day. That's a look at your weather. Back to you.
All right, Tracy, thank you.